Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn at least $5 to $10 per day. If you're still struggling to make money online, or you're just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You can use this method to make at least 5 to 10 US dollars per day. I will also tell you how much money I've made using this method so far. People also make between 5 and 6 figures from the website I'm going to show you yearly. So this video is for you if you are new to the internet and looking for the best and easiest way to make money online. Sign up for a Medium account and start posting articles every day. Yeah, research shows that this is the only way for new people to make money online. But when I first started using the internet, no one told me about Medium. I was looking for the best and easiest ways to make money online from home without spending any money. But Google has a lot of articles where most people waste their time. Now, I want to be honest with you and tell you that this is the site that can help you make money online in 2022 and even in 2023. How do I write a Medium article if I don't know English? Learning a new language isn't too hard if you want to learn it. If you don't want to learn a new language, you won't get better at writing or speaking it. First, change the way you think and tell yourself you can do this. So, I think you should give yourself a week to improve your English. After that, you can start publishing articles on Medium and make at least 5 to 10 US dollars every day. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.